Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Got some mad scientist stuff going on tonight. Something I want to display to you guys that in this setup, it's a Tesla a la hairpin with a few added features. And right now, I'm going to display to you guys that these capacitors are pulling in radiant energy from the air. So we got to sit here and think about how much energy from the 15,000 volt NST is going through here, but also in between strokes, because what's going on here with the NST, it's half of it is 7,500 and the other half is 7,500. So it is literally switching back and forth. So 1 second, or not even a second, but this is positive, that's a negative. This is positive, that's a negative. So we're bouncing ball back and forth, and we're using the spark gap, vacuum chamber spark gap. And over here I have a piece of paper just laying there, and I want to show you that when I turn the system on, it sucks the paper into it, which is showing everybody that it's pulling in radiant energy. Literally pulling in radiant energy. And then on top of that, over here in my frequency meter, we are showing no signal. So what I'll do is fire it up, come back over here, and we'll take a peek. So let's go ahead and turn it on just briefly, and you can see the paper's already moving. And there's the paper stuck. Now I'm going to back the power off on the Variac. Paper's gone. Put it back on. Bam. So we are pulling in radiant energy. And it's got to make you think, how much free power can we actually pull in with a system like this? I'll show you something else that's pretty cool. Right now I have it dead shorted. Now it's dead shorted. Not dead shorted right now, so we're just running off of straight down bottom. I'm going to go ahead and dead short this. So we're shorting the two plates on the other side of the capacitor. Let's go ahead and put a little bit more vacuum under the one side. Let's get this thing under a little bit more vacuum. Go ahead and check frequency over here. This is in kilohertz, so we're shooting about 150 kilohertz. Almost at the low band. Watch the paper. You can see the radiant energy is being pulled in to the capacitors. Fascinating, guys. Fascinating. Look at that paper. Even without the spark gap on, watch the bam. You see that? Wind's even blowing in here. It's blowing it away. But you can see that radiant energy being pulled in. Guys, leave your comments. Hopefully you like my setup here. A lot more experiments to come with this. I wanted to get back into some of Tesla's hairpin. This over here is the bottom part of the secondary there. Comes out. And this is a ground wire. And yeah, so the whole thing, let's see if we attach it straight to ground. Let's see if we get any blue arcs to my fingers like we just did without it. Just put it right there. Go ahead and turn it on. Yeah. A little less extreme though. And if we go ahead and disconnect it so it's literally just in the air. Sit underneath this nice little bar I got there of some bismuth. Yeah. Get some vacuum out of here. Watch it change color. Go ahead and turn some light out. Frequency still staying the same, guys. So we're constant on our frequency coming out of here. This will be the end of the video. I'm going to go ahead and change some of the vacuum in the jar. And we'll watch the colors that appear. All right, guys, thank you very much.